Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to an exam Fematech video tutorial. Now for this episode, I will be doing the unboxing for this STARlink Ethernet adapter. Now with the STARlink, what we call modems, that it goes inside of the house. Some of them does not come with any Ethernet port. So as a result, you cannot connect another wireless router or a network switch to it, and unless you actually do some form of configuration wirelessly. So this is what is called Ethernet adapter. I think it's going for about $51 thereabout on Amazon, right? So definitely in terms of getting this work, I think I would have done a video showing that how it actually connect, how it work. So this is the Ethernet port right there. Okay, right, so this is the Ethernet port. So once you have this piece of device, then you can definitely connect your STARlink modem to the Ethernet. That, of course, not all versions, because I think the newest version or the latest version actually comes with a built-in Ethernet port. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Fematech is out of here.